News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Indian Air Force, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Dev Samaj College for Women, Chandigarh, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad. National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research NIPER is the first national level institute in pharmaceutical sciences with a proclaimed objective of becoming a center of excellence for advanced studies and research in pharmaceutical sciences. The Government of India has declared NIPER as an institute of national importance. It is an autonomous body set up under the aegis of a Department of Pharmaceuticals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India. The institute is conceived to provide leadership in pharmaceutical sciences and related areas not only within the country but also to the countries in Southeast Asia, South Asia and Africa. NIPER is a member of Association of Indian Universities and Association of Commonwealth Universities. Online applications are invited from eligible Indian nationals for direct recruitment for the teaching post on regular or contractual basis through open competition. One post of Associate Professor Medicinal Chemistry and one post of Assistant Professor Medicinal Chemistry. Last date and time of online application and payment of fees is up to 18th June 2021, 5 p.m. For online application form and other important details, please visit Institute website www.niperguwahati.ac.in. In continuation of Indian Air Force Office Recruitment Notice published in Employment News dated 3rd to 9th April 2021 regarding filling up of Group C civilian post in IAF on direct recruitment basis, corrigendum are issued as under. For 4C, the written test will consist of General Intelligence and Reasoning, Numerical Aptitude, General English, General Awareness. To be read, syllabus for written exam for LDC, General Intelligence, English Language, Numerical Aptitude, General Awareness. For stenographers, General Intelligence and Reasoning, General Awareness, English Language and Comprehension. For MTS, HKS, AYA or Ward Sahayika, Laundryman, Mess Staff and Vulcanizer, General Intelligence and Reasoning, Numerical Aptitude, General English, General Awareness. For all other trade or post, General Intelligence and Reasoning, Numerical Aptitude, General English, General Awareness, Trade or Post related question. For 4E, the requisite number of candidates will be shortlisted and called for skill or physical or practical test wherever applicable based on merit or category in the written test. Read 4E. The requisite number of candidates will be shortlisted may be restricted to 10 times of number of vacancies and called for skill or physical or practical test wherever applicable. Further, 100% weightage will be given for written test. The practical or physical or skill test will be of qualifying nature only and marks awarded therein will not be added in total marks while preparing merit list. The vacancy of LDC mentioned at serial number 1, Air Office Commanding, Air Force Station, Kalaikunda, West Bengal under the heading Eastern Air Command Unit. The vacancy of Superintendent Store and Laundryman mentioned at serial number 9, Air Officer Commanding, Air Force Station, Bagdogra, West Bengal under the heading Eastern Air Command Unit is treated as nil. Reference is invited to Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, Department's Vacancy Circular dated 19th November 2020 and advertisement published in Employment News in the issue of 28th November to 4th December 2020 and addendum published in Employment News in the issue of 20th to 26th February 2021 for filling up one post of Assistant Director, Credit or Cooperation in the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare on deputation, including short-term contract basis. The last date for receipt of applications is now being extended. Applications in triplicate for this post, complete in all respect, can now be sent to this department within 60 days from publication of this addendum in Employment News. Other content of the earlier advertisement shall remain same. For complete advertisement, application format, eligibility criteria, that is educational qualification, experience, biodata pro forma, etc., the applicant are advised to visit official website of this department, www.agricoop.nic.in. Link recruitment. The Dev Samaj, a unique religious movement, was founded in 1887 by the most worshipful Bhagwan Devatma. The fundamental objective of Dev Samaj is to make us more and more capable of promoting the cause of unique life mission of Bhagwan Devatma, that is, propagation of truth, beauty and goodness in thought, speech and action among all classes of people, irrespective of any consideration of caste, creed, color and country. The Dev Samaj endeavors to eradicate from the hearts of the people as far as possible such egotistic forces as vanity, hatred, self-will and selfishness, and to evolve such altruistic feelings as compassion, gratitude and reverence. The highest evolution of mankind is the Saman Bonam of the Dev Dharma. Dev Samaj believes in the science of moral and spiritual laws of the soul. It employs the scientific method and accepts the scientific pattern of thought that nature is self-sufficient in its working, and therefore we are not to go out of nature to understand any happening within it. Now, the vacancies. Application on the prescribed pro forma available on the college website www.dscw45.ac.in on payment of ₹500 or by bank draft in favor of Principal Dev Samaj College for Women Sector 45B Chandigarh are invited for the post of Assistant Professor in Hindi 1 and Assistant Professor in Punjabi 1 on regular basis under Grant in Aid scheme. Pay scale will be as per UGC or UT Administration Chandigarh or Punjab University Chandigarh norms. Eligible candidates in accordance with the qualifications or conditions laid down by the UGC or UT Administration Chandigarh or Punjab University Chandigarh may send their application along with NOC from the present employer through registered post or speed post or in person so as to reach the college within 30 days from the publication of this advertisement. Candidates are required to send a copy of the application to the Dean College Development Council, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Candidates who have applied earlier should apply again. Applications are invited from eligible officers under the central government offices or departments or organizations for filling up the following posts in the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad, purely on deputation basis. 2 posts of Senior Scientific Assistant, 1 post of Junior Engineer Electronic, 1 post of Painter cum Artist, 4 posts of Wireless Operator, 1 post of Swimming Coach and 1 post of Nursing Orderly. Pay, qualifications required, other eligibility criteria for the post and application form are available in Academy website www.svpnpa.gov.in/vacancies. Duly filled in applications along with all supporting documents should reach the concerned authority through proper channel not later than 6 weeks or 42 days from the date of publication of this vacancy circular in Employment News. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.